Now, normally I'd be looking to guess and check on something like this. The instructions are too weird, but unfortunately they kind of don't let us because that x times y means that the x and y, we can't really separate them out. So these numbers that we give or given as answer choices are not something simple that we could like take and put back through the question and somehow work backwards with. So it's a good idea to guess and check, but unfortunately they found a way to prevent us from doing it. So we're going to have to do this just by following instructions and treating each sentence as if it's a separate idea. So don't get too ahead of yourself here. Just focus on one thing at a time, right? X and Y, the sum of those two numbers is 70. Okay, you know how to write that. Sum means add. X plus Y is 70. Okay, great. And then the difference when the smaller number is subtracted from the larger is 30. Well, we don't know which is which, so it doesn't say that we have to worry about x and y being different things, just x minus y is 30. We've just constructed a very easy system of equations. So now we're kind of dealing with something that's very similar to a point of intersection question. If they had just given us x plus y equals 70 and x minus y equals 30, I would have expected you to know confidently what to do to solve this. We're going to use the elimination method by just adding these two together. Okay, we can do that because they're both lines and they're both kind of lined up nicely so that the x's are all kind of together, the y's are in a nice little column, and when we add them together, one of the variables will disappear. X plus x is 2x, y minus y is 0, so these are going to cancel, and 70 plus 30 is 100. Now we just solve for x by dividing by 2, and that gives us x is 50. We still need to finish the question by finding y, but we can take that and put it into either equation. So I'm going to put it up here. 50 plus y is 70. I don't even need to do algebra to see that y is 20. So 50 times 20, right? That's what they wanted, x times y. 50 times 20, it's a calculator section, but 2 times 50 is 100, add a 0, and 1,000 is our answer. It's a little annoying. I think it's kind of hard for number 9, maybe a little bit out of place. But notice that once we get those equations out, it is a very standard kind of algebra thing. It's as simple as they come for a system of equations. So we do need to know that for other places in the test. And honestly, these are about like the most straightforward sentences that you're going to see for generating an equation, right? You need to know what sum means. You need to know what difference means. So hopefully if you didn't, this is that reminder that's going to save you those points next time.